In this video, we'll show you how to install Boost Auto's running light only fender lights to your 2023 and newer GMC Canyon trucks. Gone are the days of fender lights with in-your-face amber lenses that scream stock. Upgrade your truck with Boost Auto fender lights for a sleek, premium look. Visit boostauto.com to explore all the customizable options available for your truck. This video is applicable for Boost Auto's direct replacement fender lights with running light only. If you purchase Boost Auto's signal and running light fender lights or switchback fender lights, please reference a separate Boost Auto video. To check fitment, availability, and to purchase any of our products, go to boostauto.com. Your Boost Auto fender light kit will contain 4 premium Boost Auto fender lights. As we progress through this install, we'll call out specific hardware used every step of the way. Here's a complete tool list for your reference. You can pause here to collect them, then let's proceed with the install. We'll start by opening the hood. Disconnect the battery located on the passenger side of the vehicle at the negative terminal. Starting on the front wheel on the driver's side of the truck, locate the 18 screws and the trim clip on the wheel well liner. Then, remove the 18 T15 Torx screws on the fender liner, and the trim clip located near the top of the fender liner as well. Once those are removed, go ahead and remove the fender liner and rest it on top of the wheel. Behind the fender, there are 2 T20 screws holding the fender light into place. Go ahead and take them out. Once the fender light's free, it can be pushed out. Then, remove the connector by first pulling on the red locking tab, followed by pressing down on the black tab to disconnect it. Take any of the 4 identical Boost Auto fender lights and plug it into the factory connector and push in the red locking tab. Place the new fender light back into position and reinstall the 2 T20 Torx bolts to secure it into place. Now, move over to the rear driver's side wheel, where the removal procedure is a bit different. For the rear, we will remove the fender flare from the vehicle. Start by locating the T15 Torx screw at the bottom front of the inside of the fender flare. Go ahead and remove it. Next, locate this trim clip at the bottom front of the fender flare and take that out too. At the bottom rear of the inside of the fender flare, locate another T15 Torx screw and remove it. Locate 2 more trim clips on the bottom rear of the fender flare and remove them as well. With that done, carefully pry out the fender flare from the truck. The factory fender light harness is attached to the fender, so you'll have to replace the fender light while holding the fender close to the truck. Remove the 2 T20 screws, then disconnect the fender light from the harness. Then, take any of the 4 identical Boost Auto fender lights and install it at the rear fender flare. Screw in 2 T20 screws to the back of the fender light, securing it into place. Then, guide the fender tabs in place and press firmly to install it back to the truck. With the fender lights installed, we can now reconnect the battery. With the battery connected, test to make sure all lights are operational. Proceed with reinstallation. Reinstall the T15 Torx screw at the bottom front of the inside of the fender flare. Reinsert the trim clip at the bottom front of the fender flare. At the bottom rear of the inside of the fender flare, reinstall another T15 Torx screw. Reinsert 2 more trim clips on the bottom rear of the fender flare as well. Moving to the front wheel, we can go ahead and reinstall the fender liner to the vehicle. Reinstall the 18 T15 Torx screws, and then the trim clip. Once completed, repeat these same steps on the passenger side of the truck. Congrats on completing your install. Boost Auto's fender lights can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. Boost Auto also offers a wide range of parts and accessories for your truck or SUV. To stay up to date on new product releases and more videos just like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. Catch you in the next one.